Okay, you pick one.
The monkey one.
Is that the monkey one?
Let's see. Don't cheat. You need to open it, Katrina.
Kati, what's that?
The pig.
That's a pig. And what color is the pig?
Pink.
And what sound does a pig make? And what, do you like pigs?
Yeah.
Are they tasty?
I don't.
Yes, they're very tasty. Kathy, where's the pig's nose?
There.
Right there.
Okay.
Does he have a tail? Do pigs have tails?
Yeah.
Pigs have little tails. Is a pig a big animal or a little animal?
The big.
They
That's a
can be
big
big. Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
What else do you know about pigs? Yeah, they make... That's what they sound like, huh? Okay, silly face. Okay, let's pick another one.
Okay.
From the bowl? From the bowl.
Apple.
I think that one.
I think that's the elephant. Okay,
Choose
let's pick another one.
Mm,
That one? Okay, what's that one?
monkey.
Is it a monkey?
She wants a monkey.
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. What color is the monkey?
Monkey is black.
What color is this monkey?
Meow.
What?
Meow.
What color is the
She
monkey?
wants to say brown.
Brown?
Yeah, brown.
He's brown.
I need
You need some lemonade? Does a monkey have a tail?
yeah.
Monkey has a big tail?
Monkey have ears. Monkey
He has ears.
have
What else?
eyes.
He has eyes, a mouth,
Nose
a nose.
and hair.
What sound does a monkey make? What does a monkey sound like? Are you a little monkey? Are you a little monkey? Okay, what else can you tell Papa about monkeys? Where do monkeys live?
It's a flea.
In the trees.
Oh,
That's
yeah. Very
right.
good.
They have monkeys.
Do we have monkeys?